Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the LG Dryer D95 error code, specifically for 2025 models. If you've got this error popping up on your screen, don't panic. It's often something you can handle at home with a few basic steps. First off, let's understand what the D95 error means. In LG dryers from 2025, this code typically signals an issue with the dryer's thermistor or heating system. It could be related to overheating, a faulty sensor, or even a blockage in the venting. Essentially, your dryer is saying, "Hey, something's not right with my temperature control." So, why does this happen? Common causes include lint buildup in the filter or vents, which restricts airflow and causes the dryer to overheat. Other culprits might be a worn-out thermistor, electrical problems, or even a clogged exhaust. If you've been skipping regular maintenance, this could be your dryer's way of reminding you. Now, let's get to the fun part, troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your dryer from the power source for safety. Wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and see if the error clears. If not, check the lint filter and clean it thoroughly. This is the easiest fix and often solves the problem. Next, inspect the venting system. Make sure there are no blockages or kinks in the hose. You might need to use a vacuum or a brush to clear out any debris. If the error persists, it's time to look at the thermistor. This requires opening the dryer panel, so if you're not comfortable with that, call a professional. While you're at it, ensure the dryer's exhaust is properly installed and not too long, as that can cause issues too. To prevent this error in the future, make it a habit to clean your lint filter after every load and inspect your vents annually. Regular maintenance can extend your dryer's life and save you headaches. There you have it. A quick guide to fixing the LG Dryer D95 error code. I hope this helps you get your dryer back up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.